per month, with coverage for all this, plus tax savings. So why pay for all the bells and whistles? Steer over to a compact Blue Options HSA. For details, call or log on today.
I wasn't supposed to be home, but my daughter had a fever. I heard the doorbell. The operator is telling them to leave the house.
CPI security. Leave the premises now.
They said they would stay on until someone got there. Thank you.
We're just glad you're okay.
We're safe.
Sticking his booty out.
Have a CPI security InTouch system installed free and will also include an interior video camera. Protect your home.
And he's got the hiccups. They must be getting on his nerves. Finished? Poor baby got the hiccups again.
The challenge this week is to create a gown that is going to the opera. On this one, I feel Austin Scarlett has an edge for sure. This is what he makes, and I think he's good at it.
This is like the last